Ayate chagaya. What is this? Chicken karahi. Hi guys, I am Esra Bilgic. Today I'm gonna try to top Pakistani dishes to pick my number one Pakistani dish. Let's get started. It's delicious, it's good. Yummy. Yeah, but it's so hot, so spicy. What is the name of it?
Chicken karahi.
Chicken karahi. Chicken karahi is the next one. It's the big one. It's too big. I'm crying. Is it spicy thing again?
No, it's not spicy.
Lying. It's not dessert. Oh, what is the name of it?
Golgappe.
Golgappe. Can I get a glass of water, please? Next fish, please. It's so spicy. The next one is dal chawal. Dal chawal. It's the best pronunciation. Okay. I'm happy with this. So spicy. Okay. It's good. I hope it's dessert, but it's not. Yes, it's dessert. No, it's good. It's like tulumba, you know? Tulumba tatlısı. Fine. I like it. Okay. Okay. I'm so excited because biryani is the thing. I understand now. It's delicious. Wow. I like it. It's my number one, I think. Yep. Yeah, it's my number one. I like it. Hi guys, I tried all the dishes. Tell me which one is your number one. Write in the comments. Chicken biryani is the best, without a doubt. Ayate chagaya. İyi, her şey yolunda. What is the Turkish version of that? Hi guys, I am Esra Bilgic, and today I will be trying to speak some popular Pakistani slang words and phrases, and also teach you the Turkish version of them. My first slang word is genuine baat. Genuine baat. What does that mean?
It means you said the right thing at the right moment.
Doğru zamanda doğru yerde olmak. Boğatala. Boğatala is muazzam, harika, muhteşem. The next one is Kıyasine. Ne haber dostum? Nasıl gidiyor? In Turkish. Sinone. It can be iyi gidiyor. İyi. Her şey yolunda. Jobate. Aynen öyle. Jobate. Yes, the next one is Cugar. Yalandan iş çevirdin. Öylesine bir şeyler yapmak istedin, yaptın yani. That means a lot. Okay, the next one is Ayate chagaya. What does that mean? Geldim, gördüm, yendim. The next one is cheetah. What does that mean? Yeah, I know this word. It's champ. Interesting. Cheetah is champ in Pakistani. Interesting. Yeah, I like this word. It's my number one word, cheetah. I want to say this word, dünyaya anlat, in Pakistan version of it. Dünya kabadato. Really? The first time? Yes! I did it. Dünya kabadato.